Learn to read 7 words in a day. Day 1. Let's begin with the letter sound. A. A. Say A. A is for ark. A is for aunt. A. B. B. B is for bat. B is for ball. B. T. T. Say it again, children. T. T is for top. T is for 10. T. Next sound is K. K. Say it again, children. K. K is for cap. K is for cup. K. Next sound is M. M. Say it again, children. M. M is for mom. M is for milk. M. Remember the sound M. Next is R. R. Say it again, children. R. R is for run. R is for rock. R. Next sound is F. F. Say it again, children. F. F is for four. F. Fish. Remember the sound? F. Next sound is H. H. Say it again, children. H. H is for house. H is for hen. Next sound is S. S. Say it again, children. S. S is for soap. S. Salt. S. Now let's try to read all the letter sounds. Read with me. A. A. B. B. T. T. K. K. M. M. F. F. S. S. H. H. Now let's read the sound of each letter, then put them together to make a word. B. A. T. B. At. B. At. Bat. Bat. K. At. K. At. K. At. Cat. Cat. H. At. H. At. H. At. Hat. Hat. M. At. M. At. M. At. Mat. Mat. R. At. R. At. R. At. Rat. Rat. F. At. F. At. F. At. Fat. Fat. S. At. S. at, s, at, sat, sat. Let's read the 7 words that we have learned. Bat, cat, mat, fat, hat, rat, sat. Children, let's read again. Bat, cat, mat, fat, hat, rat, sat. Now it's your turn to read. Ready? Good job, children. See you in our day 2 lesson.